The kitchen isn't just the heart of the home. It's where nostalgia, comfort, and style come together. A rustic farmhouse country kitchen combines the charm of yesteryears with the warmth of home-cooked meals. Imagine timeless wooden cabinetry, antique decor, and natural finishes that make every corner a treasure trove of charm. Creating an unforgettable rustic farmhouse country kitchen with vintage elements isn't just about adding character, it's about capturing an essence, a soul that speaks to a time when kitchens were the heart of every home. In a world where modern minimalism often prevails, a rustic farmhouse kitchen stands as a charming, nostalgic haven that reminds us of simpler days, where warmth and practicality were the defining traits of every household. What sets a farmhouse country kitchen apart is its dedication to blending the old with the new in a way that feels natural and unforced. You might spot a century-old butcher block island as the central work surface, a testament to its time-tested durability and charm. Perhaps there's a collection of copper pots hanging above, their surfaces bearing the patina of years of cooking. Your kitchen is more than a place to cook, it's the heart of your home. By blending natural materials, thoughtful design elements, and personal touches, your rustic farmhouse kitchen becomes a warm, inviting space for family and friends. Subscribe to *** Farmhouse Bliss *** for more inspiring home ideas. And don't forget to like this video if you're ready to bring this cozy country charm into your life.